When I takes it all. Take one. Hi guys! I'm using that. I'm using that. This is my friend Georgia, and she hasn't been here a while, but she's here now, so yes, get used to it pretty much. Today we're going to be doing the Acapella challenge. We're doing our own take. We saw it on Jacko's channel. And we thought it was really funny, so we're going to do our own version of it. Yes. But we're going to be doing the same song and then comparing, yes, judging, critiquing. Yes. And our first song is How Long by Charlie Puth. Do you have the app? No. We're just going to download the app.
So the app we're using today...
Oh, she's already flexing.
Flexing on her.
It's the Acapella app. Now, can you see it? Can you see it?
Okay.
So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do it. You won't see us doing it, but when we come back, we'll have done it. Masterpieces to show you. Yeah. So 3, 2, 1. No. Come on, just keep going. No, just keep going. Mine's bad.
Wait till you see one.
Okay, so we're reacting to George's first.
So just a little backstory. Yeah. I did the remix of How Long.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
To spice it up.
Nice.
So it's
cool.
a little bit edgy.
Okay.
And I did everything. I just filmed it and then went to the next one. So I didn't like look at it. I just kept going.
Oh, good.
So it's very rough.
Rustic.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Why you keep around on me? 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 How long, how has this been going on? You've been keeping around on me. You've been keeping around on me. How long has this been going on? You've been looking so shady. Why you been here?
Okay, that was actually really good. I thought we were like long. Well, I recorded the verse.
Yes.
And then I was like, this is shit, so I recorded the pre-chorus. And then I fucked it up.
So
but I just re-recorded it over again. No, it's not.
I bet.
It's not.
It's really good.
It's not.
She said, boy, tell me honestly, was it real or just for show? Hey, she said, say your apologies. Baby, I just gotta know, how long has this been going on? You've been dipping down on me while you're calling me baby. How long has this been going on?
I read it. That was good.
That was stunning.
Thank you so much.
Comment down below who think you won that one.
Yeah. We'll have a tally, you know, you can say who you think you won. Be honest.
Be nice.
But be nice. Don't say anything mean. We're gonna do Rewrite the Stars.
By the greatest showman.
By the only showman you will ever need. Zac Efron. Okay, sorry about the bugs. But like, it's
Australian.
You can't change them.
Did you see that the Dolan twins were in Sydney?
Yeah, I did. But I didn't. It was too late.
Oh my gosh, I was in Sydney when they were in Sydney.
Oh, you could have met them.
You know,
any words that you want to mention?
One of a kind.
Okay. Did you rewrite the stars?
I'll leave that for you guys to decide. Comment them below.
How can we rewrite the stars? Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fly with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible.
What did you say? Definitely, those stars are quaking.
Say that the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fall with you. So just give me all of you. It feels impossible. It's not impossible. say that it's possible. How do we rewrite the stars?
How do we do that? How do you do that? That was
Did you see my hair in that one? It was just like,
Oh.
Shake that shit. Camera roll.
Camera rolling on a river. Camera.
Now, I think for the finale, we should do
Yeah.
it together.
Oh my god, yes. Okay. What should we do?
Oh, yeah.
Do that one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we want it in that key?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
Should we put the metronome on? Do, 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 do. Where's the fucking metronome?
Where's the fucking that? No.
Where is it?
Bounce.
Yeah, I want it. Oh,
You got
okay.
it.
Okay.
On.
I'm ready. Silly. Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 I can't keep my hands to myself. Something wrong, put 'em back on the shelf. Is a real baby girl needs to be. And we're coming out of left field.
Okay, I can't be bothered to fix that.
That's good. Sounded great to me. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it gives you inspiration to just go out there and do it.
Just sing whenever you want.
And anytime.
Like, just burst
In a
out
library,
song.
just
anytime, like.
if you love musical like we do, just read the. No, we're not kissing.
Oh. That's the chat.
Not again.
Challenge. That's next.
I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to Georgia, and yeah.
Bye. Your intro should be Zazzalini. Like you know how all the makeup
Okay,
artists
yeah.
have a little icon.
Okay, yeah.
Zazzalini.
Okay.
Zazzalini.
Also, you're the only friend of mine that says my name right.
Zazzalini?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Everyone says Zozalini or Zoos or
Oh
Zazzalini.
my god.
Try again.
Zazzalini.
Zazzalini.